Last show was for the Godrej. The second last show was for the Godrej. And उसके पहले का शो था, it was for the King of the Oman. उसके पहले का शो था उसका, it was for the Obama's personal trainer. She had us jumbo jets. She had invited us. She's hardly 17 years old. Traveled with me in 10 countries. She's not a magician. She reads the mind. She's a mentalist. Put your hands together for Preeti.
What does a mentalist mean? A mentalist is someone who manipulates your mind. And you all can see this kind of bookmarks placed on your tables.
What's your tables? What's your tables? There are bookmarks.
There are various colorful bookmarks on your table. I want you all to open your phone book, your mobile phones, and write down any number of a person who is intimately known to you. And you should fold it into 2 equal halves and keep it ready with you. Please.
Please, I'll give you 1 minute.
Don't write the names.
Randomly selection होता है, randomly. बिल्कुल fair selection. इसके लिए I'll make a paper ball, ordinary paper ball. I'll throw it in the audience. थर्ड आदमी जो कैच करेगा, थर्ड आदमी ये पेपर बॉल जो कैच करेगा, उसका माइंड प्ले करेगी. Is it ready? Is it okay? Great. Kiva, you have written something on this paper?
I was getting that kind of feeling, so
okay.
It's rubbish.
So shall I?
Yeah, sure.
So I'll make a paper ball and I'll throw this anywhere. You can throw it anywhere. And third person will be randomly chosen. 1, 2, and 3. The first person. Pass it on the second person. Pass it on the third person. Stand up, sir. Randomly chosen, not selected. Sir, I want you to write down 2-digit number. He has seen the number. Himaya, you have not seen the number. Camera has not seen the number. No. I want you to simply tell me what is the number inside, and this number is 2-digit number, obviously. Go ahead. Will you please tell me the number?
Let me think. I'm getting the feeling that the number is 24.
I'll show you 24. Throw that ball to someone else. The second person has written again 2-digit number.
I can feel that the number is 31.
31?
Yeah.
Throw it ball in the front. Kimaya, turn around. Don't look at us. Turn around. Wait. Go ahead and tell me what is it in your hand.
You must be holding some plastic. It must be specs, I guess.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead and tell me his name.
Oh my God, the person you have touched is related to magic, I guess.
Magic?
He's
No.
No?
No, he's not magician.
But
I said go ahead and tell his name, not magic. What he does, doesn't matter. Tell me.
Okay, let me guess. His name is Mr. Nair.
Nair. No, and he's right. He's Mr. Nair. Thank you very much. He's Mr. Nair, not Nair.
Okay, so I'm sorry.
Very good. Last effect is very interesting. Watch carefully now. आपने जो नंबर लिखा है इस पे, वो चिट्स पे, I want go there, collect the chips. Go ahead. Meanwhile, imagine. What is that in the hand? I want you to say what is that in the hand?
A pen.
Thank you. Very nice. I have a plain bag inside my pocket, transparent bag. Watch carefully. Totally absolute transparent. Let me fast. You will choose the telephone number of the person who is intimately known to you. Go ahead. Put it inside. Right. खोल दीजिए. पिन मत लगाइए. डाल दीजिए. Very good. डाल दीजिए. Okay. Sir. Right. I want you, stop the music. Choose one with your closed eyes. One, only one. Take it one only. Great. And इसका काम हो गया है. I'll keep it in my pocket. Nobody knows what is that number. Even I don't know. Randomly selected from the transparent band. किसके फोन में स्पीकर फोन लाउड है क्या? इसके स्पीकर फोन you have? Please. आपका फोन में स्पीकर फोन लाउड चाहिए. जिसका भी नंबर उन्होंने चूज किया है उसको वो खुद कॉल करने वाला है. बिफोर दैट आई वांट किमया टू गो अहेड. वो आदमी क्या कह सकता है जिसको ये साहब कॉल करेंगे, उसका नंबर में मालूम नहीं है, नाम मालूम नहीं है, स्पीकर फोन ऑन करेंगे, साहब का टेलीफोन है आपके पास, आपके फोन से उसको कॉल कीजिए. आई डोंट नो हु इज दैट पर्सन. नाउ ट्राई टू कीप क्वाइट, ट्राई टू हियर द साउंड फ्रॉम दैट साइड. माइल्स अवे. हो सकता है वो बेंगलोर का हो, कलकत्ता का हो, दिल्ली का नंबर हो, आई डोंट नो. नो बट डोंट जस्ट कॉल दैट नंबर. रीड इट एंड कॉल दैट नंबर. ओपन कीजिए सर. ये ऐसे पेस्ट किया हुआ है. हाँ, वो स्पीकर है ना. ये नंबर टाइप कीजिए, इसमें लगाइए आपके हाथ से. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू फोन लगाइए मुझे मेरे पास दीजिए, बिकॉज माइक इज हियर, सो दे विल लिसन व्हाट इज दैट पर्सन सेइंग.
You want me to write what I'm getting in my mind,
Please,
right?
please. Whatever you have feeling on the
Okay,
board.
sure.
हाँ, लगा दीजिए. स्पीकर फोन ऑन कीजिए. Can you hear? Hello. Sir, who are you? Sir, I'm calling from Pune. Who is there? I'm Satish Deshmukh, international entertainer, trainer, educator, and world-famous master illusionist. I'm doing a show in Pune, and I want you to spend some time with me. Just hardly 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh my God, you're a lady. I thought you were just speaking. Oh, she's a lady. Sorry, ma'am. You're Mrs. Bhatia. Mrs. Bhatia's show is on. There are 300 people watching this show in Pune at Westin. आप क्या करते हो मैडम? पोएट क्या बोला? अच्छा, कवि. आप कवि हो? हाँ, गजल लिखती हो आप. वेरी गुड. तो आप हमारे लिए कुछ 2 शब्द है आपके पास? Regarding what matter, doesn't matter what matter is there. I just want you to say one word or two words, whatever. If you have something on your mind. Okay. Samavichar, Samapravas. Remember what she said, ladies and gentlemen? She says Samavichar, Samapravas. Okay. Go ahead. आणखी काय येतं लोक तुमच्या मराठी बोलतात. मराठी आहे तुम्ही बाटिया नाव कसं तुमचं? अरे जय मराठी. Madam, sorry we took over here, but this is fantastic show going on in Pune, and 300 people are enjoying your show, my show, sorry, and you are also involved in my show. एखादी कविता सांगा आमच्यासाठी. तुमची हां? सांगा बरं. चारोळी का? चारोळी म्हणजे काय? 4 ओळींमध्ये एक पावर असते का? हां, सांगा मॅडम प्लीज. डोंट हेजिटेट प्लीज. तू म्हणालीस हवं ते माग, मनाला म्हटलं शहाण्यासारखा वाघ. अरे वा, क्या वाघ. वेळ नाही. आणखी काही? पाण्यात मासोळीचे आसू दिसत नाही. तिला दुःखच नसतं, यावर विश्वासच नाही. मॅडम, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. यू आर 100% सक्सेसफुल. युअर माइंड टुगेदर. बिकॉज पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही सांगितलं समविचार समप्रवास. हाच आमच्या आजच्या शोचा थीम आहे. अँड दॅट वॉज 100% राईट. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आय विल सेंड यू माय स्पेशल मेसेज. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच मॅम. थँक्यू. आय डोंट नो कुणाची मैत्रीण होती मला माहीत नाही, पण तिने समविचार आणि समप्रवास हा शब्द सहजपणे सांगितला. बट व्हॉट Kimaya had written, let me see.
It's thoughts and journey.
Kimaya had written thoughts and journey. Give a big hand. जादू असते आयुष्यात. I saw one magician, street magician, रस्त्यावर बघितलं. तो रिंगाचा प्रयोग दाखवला. अफलातून. माझ्या डोक्यात विचार आला, अरे बापरे, चारही बाजू, सॉरी, 4 sides were covered, and he was making a beautiful moves and a rings. When I saw that, I came back. You want to perform it?
It's up to you.
एक 1000 रुपये नोट काढा बोलत विचार. 1000 रुपये नोट. ती जागा तयार नाही. मला तिचा एक संपला होता, पण ती जागा तयार नाही. 1000 रुपये नोट द्या. आपण ती फोल्ड करूया 4 भागांमध्ये. 1, 2, 3 आणि 4. आणि तिसरं तुमच्या हातात ठेवा. तुमच्या हातात दाबून ठेवा. वर पकडून ठेवा. आणि जस्ट वर पकडून सगळ्यात दिसेल. किंवा सर, ही 1000ची नोट जी आहे, ही जर हिच्यावरचा नोटीचा नंबर जो आहे तो जर किमाने ओळखला तर ही नोट किमायाची. ओके. आणि जर नाही ओळखला तर माझी. ओके. आणि शुअर? किमया, प्लीज नोट डाऊन नंबर.
ओके.
सर, आता कॅमेरा दाखवा. नाही नका कुठे कॅमेरा आहे किंवा राईट डाऊन नंबर. जस्ट नंबर लिहू. जरा जाड कर. जाड. 3131738. सर, नंबर वाचा. जोरात वाचा. मी तुम्हाला माईक द्या. माझा नंबर सर दे. दे ना. नंबर वाचा सर. सर, नंबर वाचा जोरात वाचा सर.
229590.
तुम्ही व्हॉट यू हॅव?
I guess you have to give that note back to him, but you have to believe me, okay?
Believe me?
Where is that paper ball?
You're wrong. Why would you believe me?
Because I'll show you something. If you turn it backwards, it's believe. You should always believe, B-E-L-I BLIEVE, believe in your dreams.
Okay.
If you can see the invisible, you can always achieve the impossible.
What about the third number?
Where is that paper ball? Which you
पेपर बॉल
think?
फेंका था वो कहाँ है? पेपर बॉल किसके पास है? अरे
I got this feeling that the note number is going to be this thing. So I wrote it before the show.
सर आपका नोट नंबर इसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ था जब when she entered. That number was already there. Read it. 2 AU आएगा?
Yes, 2 AU.
Okay.
Correct. 229590.
Beta, thank you very much. She makes my show hit every time. King of the Oman gifted her very special theme. Since that day, I realized my daughter is also a good performer. Thank you, Beta. Thank you very much. She's my daughter.
Thank you, Dada.
She's my daughter.